Today, we are going to experiment with static electricity. We only need three things: a bottle of water, a straw, and some tissue paper. Take one piece of tissue paper and start to rub a straw until you can feel heat, like this. You can feel the friction between the tissue and the straw. As I rub it together, I can feel heat start to build. Let's give it a few more seconds. 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's try it. Place a straw on top of and use your finger, and you'll notice that the straw is either deflecting or magnetic. That was a fun experiment. Good job today, guys. See you next time. Goodbye.